In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or change your profile picture in Microsoft Teams. Getting started is pretty straightforward, so let's dive right into the process. First, you'll need to open up your preferred web browser, whether that's Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or Safari. Once you have that open, type the URL https:/teams.microsoft.com into the address bar and hit enter. This will take you to the Microsoft Teams website. Now that you're on the login page, you'll need to sign in with your Microsoft account. This could be your work, school, or personal email, whatever you use to access Teams. Once you've entered your email address, click the Next button. You'll then be prompted to enter your password. After typing in your password, go ahead and click Sign In to proceed. Sometimes, depending on your organization's security settings, you may be required to go through a security verification process. This usually involves multi-factor authentication. So if your company has this enabled, you might receive a code by SMS, email, or through an authenticator app. Just follow the prompts to enter the verification code, and you'll be granted access to the Teams web interface. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself at the home page of Teams. This is your hub for communication, collaboration, and much more. From the Teams interface, you can chat with colleagues, join calls or meetings, view and manage your team's calendar, or even share and collaborate on files with ease. But today, our focus is on updating your profile picture. To change your profile picture, first look for your current avatar or initials, which should be visible at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on it, and then select Edit Profile. This will bring up options to change details related to your profile. Look for a camera icon or an option labeled Change Picture. Clicking this should open a dialog where you can upload a new image. Choose your desired profile picture from your computer, and once you've selected the image, confirm the change. This newly uploaded picture will now be your updated profile photo across Microsoft Teams. Having an up-to-date or personalized profile picture is a great way to make sure your communications feel more personal and professional. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your profile picture in Microsoft Teams. Thanks for following along, and I hope this guide helped make the process clear and simple. If you have more questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore our other tutorials. Until next time,